What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Lindsay, here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make $222 simply by leveraging free marketing strategies. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to quickly share with you something that I recently did in the last couple of days for something that I was promoting, and I was able to earn a quick $222 from from promoting that particular product, guys. Okay, and it's going to be very simple because I promise you these are some of the things that you're probably already doing inside of your business, especially if you are doing affiliate marketing of some sort. Okay, so if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel I share with you guys ways you can make money from home, how to make money with affiliate marketing, as well as personal development type videos. Now, those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell, so that way you get my updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content, and let me share with you how you can leverage organic strategies, free marketing strategies, in order to generate income online. Okay, guys, so right now we're looking at my Facebook right now. This is my Facebook profile, and as you guys can see here, I promoted a product where I had implemented something that I had learned inside of that product, and I was able to earn $200 off of a Facebook post. Okay, so that's just something that you can do. So the first thing that you want to do is you need to find a product to promote. So if you're watching this right now, and like I said, most of the content that I do on my channel is more so for the make money online niche, the internet marketing niche. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to a JV network, and you want to apply for a free account. So some of the JV accounts that you can apply for is clickbank.com, also warriorplus.com, also jvzoo.com. I'll include links to all of those below in the description below. But what you want to do is you want to go to these sites, create a free account. Okay, so now once you have created a free account, you have access to a plethora, a cornucopia, if you will, of products that you can actually promote to your audience. Okay, so with this particular product is actually found on Warrior Plus. Okay, and with the warriorplus.com, you can actually find quite a few products on there that are that cost on the low end anywhere from like $2 all the way up to maybe like $24 or something like that. So they're products that they won't break the bank or anything like that, but you can become an affiliate for those products. And what you can do is you apply to to promote the product, and once you receive your affiliate link, what you can do is you can start going on to places like Facebook. You go to Facebook, YouTube, anywhere where you buy solo ads or anything like that in order to generate traffic and get as many eyeballs as possible to your affiliate link. So this is what I did here, right? So I got access to a product. I had my affiliate link. I went through the actual course, and I took something that I had learned out of there. I took one strategy that I learned inside of that course, and I actually got results. So I got I made a Facebook post, and I earned $200 from that Facebook post. So as you guys can see here, what I put here is $200 earned from one Facebook post. Who wants a short video of me showing how I made a quick $200 from one Facebook status post for free? Comment 200 below, and I'll send the details. So as you guys can see here, people commented. There's over 62 comments on this particular post. I also posted this inside of my Facebook group, so it's probably about maybe 100 people total had requested this, or maybe close to it. I'm not sure. I'm not sure of the exact number, but quite a few people asked for this, right? So I sent them the information, and a lot of people got value from the content, and they end up purchasing the product, right? Because I took them to a page where I had the actual product. So let me find that page here. So hold on one second. Let me pull that page up really quickly. Okay, so I had to log in really quickly, guys, so sorry about that. So when people asked to get information about this product, what I did was I sent them to this page here. I sent them to a British page where I actually gave a video showing the full-on case study, and then also a button where they can get access to the product, and then also my additional bonuses. Okay, so that's one strategy that I did, right? So that was a good way for me to generate leads and sales for this particular product, right? And then also what I did is that I made this into a YouTube video. So on my channel, I actually have the video here where I'm giving the full-on case study on how I make $200 with one Facebook post. Okay, and because of this video and because of this Facebook post right here, I was able to earn a quick $222 simply by by using free Facebook strategies. Okay, that is all I did, guys, right? And the reason why I really wanted to show this, show this to you guys is because I think a lot of people overthink affiliate marketing, right? People think like with affiliate marketing, they have to start out with paid advertising because they see people who make the large numbers with affiliate marketing and they want to make that type of income and things like that. But you have to understand, even with paid strategies, it's going to require an investment, and then it's also going to require quite a bit of testing in order for you to start generating those sales, and then also to generate those type of results every single day. What you can do is you can leverage your Facebook account, you can leverage your YouTube account, and even if you don't like to be in front of a camera, you can just record your screen and you can generate results. So you can come over here, again, you can go to warriorplus.com, find a product that you want to offer, create a simple post like this right here, and ask people if they want access to, know more information about that training or that course, to comment below, and if they do, you send them the information. But instead of sending them directly to the actual product page, what you do is you send them to a page like this, right? I created this in leadpages.com. You can create this with like a free Wix site or Squarespace or something like that. Create something really simple like this, and you can start generating commissions, right? And the more you start to do this and you're actually promoting quality products to people that are actually going to help people, guess what? People are going to start buying more and more from you, and then those commissions are going to start to increase. And again, we're just using free Facebook strategies. We're not even like free marketing strategies. We're not even talking about solo ads, paid advertising, using Craigslist, using Facebook ads. We're not even talking about any of that stuff, guys. We're just leveraging free social media and video marketing traffic in order to generate sales. So if you feel like you can do this and you actually want to know more on how you can actually do this, how you can actually leverage this, no matter if you're doing affiliate marketing or maybe you do a network marketing or something like that, you can still leverage these strategies that I'm sharing with you in order to generate leads and sales for your business. So if this is something that you see yourself doing, you see yourself to being able to earn anywhere from an extra $200 to $500 per week using free marketing strategies, then what I want to really share with you all is something called Bedroom Hustle, okay? So with Bedroom Hustle, this is a product that's created by Manny, and he's going to share with you and break down everything that I share with you in full on how you can leverage free social media traffic in order to earn at least $100 plus per day in affiliate commissions, okay? So this is the back office. So if you decide that you want to go ahead and move forward with this and actually learn this strategy, underneath this video in the description below, if you click on that link, it's going to give you more information about Bedroom Hustle. So as you guys can see here, it's only $14. It's cheap, guys, okay? This is a steal. But as you guys can see here, this is the back office. This is some of the information that you're going to learn back here. So you're going to learn the actual overview of the Bedroom Hustle strategy. You're also going to learn how to sign up as an affiliate for Warrior Plus and how to actually find those products. You're also going to learn the strategy that's helping him to make $100 plus per day in affiliate commissions. You're also going to learn his video SEO method. You're also going to learn the sneaky attack method that you can actually use on your Facebook that's going to help you to generate buyers every single day. And he's also going to share with you several follow-up strategies in order to increase your sales. Because what most people do is that they will put that information out there. They'll ask people like, hey, if you want to know more information about this product, comment below. They'll send the people the product, but then they never follow up. You have to follow up with people because sometimes life gets in the way, people forget. And if you just send them a simple reminder, they will check out the content, and more than likely they may turn into a buyer, okay? So you're going to get all that information here. You're also going to get a video strategy on how to use the story method in order to increase your affiliate sales every single day. Now you're also going to get one case study that's going to share with you how a young lady was able to earn $4,000 in sales using YouTube ads. And then you're also going to get 2 additional bonuses from Manny, the creator of this product. And the first bonus is going to be how you can actually make money using the helper method. And then the second bonus is going to be how you can actually leverage Facebook groups in order to make money. Now, if you want to go ahead and get this product, if you go underneath this video in the description below, it's going to include a link that's going to bring you here to my blog, where it's going to give you more information about Bedroom Hustle. It's going to break down everything inside of this product. It's also going to give you the price points on how much this product costs. Again, guys, it's only $14 to get access to those 13 videos that I share with you all here. And then also the next upsell, which I'm going to talk about in this video really quickly. You definitely want to get the next upsell, because with the next upsell, which is only $27, he's going to give you access to high quality, done for you swipe posts. Okay, so if you don't have anything that you have an idea of how to create a actual social proof post or something like that, you can actually use his swipe file in order to create posts on your social media that's going to help you to drum up leads and sales from your Facebook. And also you can actually look at these templates and get a good idea of how you can create your own templates, so that way you can use them for future promotions. Okay. Also, if you decide to go ahead and get Bedroom Hustle through my link, again, you're going to get those 2 bonuses from Banny, but you're also going to get access to my bonuses as well. The first bonus is Logo Studio, and it's going to, you're going to be able to actually create your own logos using their high quality templates. You're going to get my training on how to get approved by JV Affiliate Networks. You're also going to get my training, which is the Affiliate Marketing for Beginners bundle. It's going to be 2 full-length trainings sharing with you how to get started with affiliate marketing. The next bonus is going to be my training on Facebook group marketing. The first training is going to be how to grow a Facebook group, and the second one is going to be how to monetize it. The next bonus you'll receive is called Social Jacker. You'll be able to generate unlimited free leads from Facebook on autopilot with this product. And then the last bonus you'll receive is Facebook or FB VID MATIC. And you'll be able to create profit making videos on Facebook within 3 minutes, guys. Okay, so those are all the bonuses you're going to receive. You're going to get 6 bonuses from me. You're going to get 2 bonuses from Manny. You're also going to get a case study from Manny as well on how to generate $4,000 from using YouTube ads. And again, you're going to get access to the core 13 videos of Bedroom Hustle, guys. Okay, so again, as I showed you all in this video, you can leverage free social media and video marketing traffic in order to generate sales. And what you can do is, when you start generating these type of commissions, you can start to use that to fund your business. You can also use those funds to reinvest. Like if you ever decide that you want to get into paid marketing, well, you have a way that you can actually fund your paid traffic by using the information that you're going to learn inside of Bedroom Hustle, guys. Okay, so hope you found this video helpful. Again, guys, underneath this video is going to be a link. It's going to bring you here to my my blog post. It's going to give you all the information and details you need to know about this product and how to get started. Just scroll down, click on the button here where it says click to get access, and it will bring you here to the sales page where you can go ahead and purchase Bedroom Hustle. And again, guys, if you can, get the first upsell at least, so that way you can get those done for you swipes, so that way you can go ahead and start posting onto your social media with that information, guys. Okay, so if you find this content helpful, if you have any questions, leave them below. Also hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next video.